Are you managing? Why? Try again, I'll watch. I thought you have stretched it. What? What do you mean I've stretched it? Try again.
Why is it not working this time?
Try again. I got it alright.
What have you done?
Is there anything?
You have to put it together differently.
Why? Have you made it? That's not how you do it. Yeah.
I'm not going back on it.
Try it one more time.
Oh my god! What have you done differently?
I did anything differently. I got it alright.
What have you done? Don't, Brian. It's not funny.
You're on now, aren't you?
Oh my god!
Are you on properly?
No, I'm not. Why is it not balanced? Just go.
Right, you're on now, aren't you?